Hi, I'm Rachel for Expert Village. Now I'm going to take 7 beads from another kind. I chose silver rings, little silver beads. We're going to take 7 beads again. For this necklace, bracelet, you will need about 70 beads from each kind, which means 10 beads, 10 rings, little flowers from each size. Now I'm gonna again do the same thing, go through the first 3 and I'm gonna pull the string see they're far away, but we can move it. It's movable. We're going to move it together. Before we're going to put the clasp in, we're going to make sure that all the beads are nicely attached and closed together. I'm going to show you one more time. Now we're going to put 7 more of the purple ones, the pattern, basically 7 purple and 7, and then 7 silver ones. And I'm gonna show you one more before we finish with the bracelet. 6 here, one more. Again, we're going to go to the first 3 and go through with the string through the first 3 beads. Each group contain 7 beads. You can use, of course, different beads if you want for each flower, different color. It's fine too. But the pattern that I chose to do is a purple and silver. And we continue until we get the wanted length.